Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers. Colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids, again use blue color and draw 4. 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. SIX 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. Black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.